fluffy, moist, and powered by orange, jaggery, and millets. Orange dark chocolate cake is one of the best flavor combo, especially when you're bored of the usual chocolate cakes. So let's get started. Take a bowl, put half a cup of coconut oil, add 1 cup of jaggery powder, add half a glass of orange juice, add half a glass of warm water, add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, add 1 cup of ragi flour, alternatively you can put 1 cup of whole wheat flour instead. Always remember to use strainer when adding dry ingredients, since it prevents lump in the batter, which at the end gives you a better cake. Add 1 spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of baking powder. Now mix it nicely using cut and fold method. Don't overmix. Stop mixing when the dry ingredients are combined. Add some orange zest. Pour the batter in a cake mold or whatever shape mold you have. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Once baked, check if the cake is done using a toothpick. Honestly, you can stop and enjoy the cake already, or you can apply some melted dark chocolate on top of the cake. And finally, top it up with chopped almonds. Enjoy this delicious orange dark chocolate cake powered by healthy grains and jaggery.